And I mean, let's be real, there's only one way to properly merge onto the freeway in an AMG. Come on, man. And we got someone in front of us right here who's gonna go probably a little bit slower than what, like, you know, an AMG would be typically going, allegedly in 5M. Alright, by the way, this screen right here shows the live engine data from the horsepower and the torque. So that's a little bit interesting to view at times. See if we can get a little pop under this underpass. Oh! That was crazy! It's burbling real nice tonight. And for anyone who's wondering, this is completely bone stock with the AMG Performance exhaust, which is an option. I do want to get it tuned soon. I was looking into some tuning options. The cheapest one I have is like $1,100–1,200 for like a stage 1 tune. This other one is like $2,200 for a stage 1 tune. For the $2,200 one, he was showing me some draggy screenshots of stage 1 C43s, completely stock, no mods, just the tune. And they're running like mid to low 3s in the 0 to 60. From just a little tune, it can do a lot. And just with a stock AMG, it already does a lot. Like this. And it just handles so smooth through the turn. Hold up, this turn's a little bit curvy right here. We could probably whip it through it. Damn! Dude, I just love this car. Like, you hit the gas, it goes. It just does not hesitate, simply just goes. Even through the turn, you don't have to worry about it. It got it. And then the daily drivability, dude, don't even get me started on the daily drivability. I'm gonna make a whole video about that soon. Is the C43 the perfect daily? So if you want to see that and you're not already subscribed, definitely subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, just want to clarify that this is my stunt driver. I've been doing the voiceover this entire time just to make it appear as if I'm driving for the video, but this is my stunt driver. And he told me this is AI generated, so. Like, dude, I just love feeling like that torque just pulling you back in the seat. And it's not too much to the point that I'm gonna throw up because there's just so much torque just throwing me all around. But you'll definitely get thrown around a little bit. I'm not gonna hold you. So it's just the fair amount, especially for me specifically because I get motion sickness pretty easily. For the time being, I'm gonna be kind of just not making videos with the hell cord until I can start the V8 swap and just focus on making real car content with the AMG. Just the other day, I dropped a vlog with the AMG, getting it fixed, almost blown the motor, kind of not, but if you want to see that, there's a 13-minute vlog up on my page. Ooh! Like, I don't think I would ever get like tired of the stock exhaust. I am gonna modify it, don't get me wrong, but dude, this is one of those cars that from the factory, Mercedes just absolutely cooked. Now, of course, I do want to modify it just like how you would want to modify any car. But if you're a real car guy, dude, you'll modify even a Bugatti, you know? If you're a real car guy, you'll modify even a Bugatti. It's a pretty chill night out here, actually. Open roads, really light traffic, nothing really going on, just cruising in the AMG with the ambient line, which is a huge deal for me personally. Long story short, I owned a 2015 see-through Hushed for like a good few years. I also owned another 2019 C43 AMG just like this one, but it didn't have ambient line. None of them. And I thought both of them was gonna have it, so I was low-key like a little upset that it didn't have it, and I'm very happy that this one has it. Like, this is pretty much the perfect spec C43. If you missed the other late night POV drive in the C43, that video is on screen right now, so just click it to go watch it.